Hey, how's it going, everyone? Just wanted to show you guys what we were up to today. We're capturing a hive that we've been told has been here for, what, 10 years? Is that what they said? 15 years? 20? It keeps going up. 75 years. It's been here for 75 years. All right, so check this out. So we got bees. Maybe y'all here. You don't want to look at me. Let me swap this thing around. Can you swap this around after you're... Yeah, there it is. See if I can do it with these fat finger gloves on. There we go. Hey, that's my dad. I think he's a little worn out.
A little bit.
How many times have you been stung today?
10 or 12.
10 or 12? Callan, how many times did you get stung today?
4 maybe.
4? Okay, so check it out. I wasn't going to unless you wanted me to. We've got, this is all honey. We can, Dad, but the problem is, unless we trap them in that hive, then they're going to be all inside the car with us while we're driving. Okay. Yeah, you take them. I want to show you where we got these bees. So this whole column here, all the way down to where you see that light color there, there's a hive from there all the way up to there. I mean, just 3 or 4 deep. You can see how. And then the same thing here, only over here, it was all the way down. All the way down. And these ladies are not happy. We kind of ticked them off a little bit today, but I don't know, there's really no other way you can do it. You try to be as gentle as possible and as non-intrusive as possible.
They're trying to tear the building down.
Yeah, so they'll be tearing the building down here in a few weeks, so they asked us to come get them. So anyway, we're in the thick of it. You can see out there we've got more bees than we know what to do with at the moment. So just thought some of you guys might find this interesting. So I know Chris has been, they're all over us. I mean, they were real gentle at first, but once you start cutting into the brood comb and, you start cutting into their honey, then they get a little ticked off. So this is my nephew, Chris. How many times have you been stung today, Chris?
Probably 6, just like in the last 2 seconds.
Oh, 6 in the last 2 seconds.
Every time I'm trying to come back over here, they were coming to get me.
So we got buckets full of bees here. We got bees coming out our ears. And I would take some.
Chris.
What are you trying to do with that right now?
Chris.
Yeah.
Grab that brush and brush those bees off of here. Okay. All right, now we're going to dump that bucket in here and put the top on it.
Is that Chris's hive?
Yeah.
And as soon as I put this on, go into the
Hand me that. Oh, you got it? All right.
Do what, Chris?
So as soon as I get this one on, I'm going to the smoker. They're going to be stinging me again.
There you go.
Ah.
What happened?
Spring loose, I think.
Uh-oh. Those things are...
They're difficult, aren't they?
Yeah.
Probably crushed quite a bit.
You pushed them.
Did I? Okay.
Yeah, you pretty much pushed them off on the ground on the side over here.
Chris,
Uh-huh.
when you get home, you're going to have to open these up. Get an opening in there, they'll suffocate.
Okay.
That better not be stuck. See, now they're trying to get me again. They are.
It's because you've already been stung several times. You got that pheromone on you.
I just tried to smoke it off.
You tried to smoke it off? So he got 3 hives worth. How are we going to divvy up this honeycomb over
I don't
here?
know, but all of us need to take some home with us.
I think there's some in there as well. I think we have 4.
How many buckets over there?
There's 3. Still a lot of bees on that.
There's some honey. There's a little bit of honey in here too.
I would just stick it in that. This one right here looks pretty.
Just put a lid on it and we'll be all right. We'll
Yeah,
get home.
yeah, that'll be good. Nice.
We got lids in one, I think, under that cupboard up there. That bag.
So y'all, I'll show you one more time for those of you guys who just joined us. In here, this is where they were, from all the way up there, all the way down there, lined right up 3 deep, 1, 2, 3. And we had to cut through each layer and pull it down, and cut through the next layer and pull it down. And we have bee vacuums. We vacuum those bees up in those 5-gallon buckets. And you set it to a setting that's gentle enough on the bees that it won't harm the bees, and that's why there's so many bees. My goodness, there's 6,000 bees in here on a piece of sheetrock.
6,000?
Yeah, well, hold on. 6,047, sorry. 6,047. Yeah, so there, look at that.
Jeez.
All right, I'm signing off, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this. It's been quite a day. It's a lot of work, but a lot of fun, too. All right, take care. See if I can shut this off with my gloves. We may have to keep going.